Dear students, I hope all of you have done your previous work. So let's check from here. So have a look at page number 68. A part, filling the blanks with and, but or. First is, Mahika tried to read but in vain. Second, Lakshya is sharp but Vedant is dull. Third one, the teacher told a story and students listened it to carefully. Fourth one, those apples are ripe but sour. Fifth one, she may go today or tomorrow. Sixth one, I write for money but my brother writes for pleasure. 7. Finish the work and go home. 8th one, we ran fast but missed the train. 9th one, Arjun went to the bus stand and boarded a bus to Delhi. 10th one, a fox is large and clever animal. B part. Join the following sentences using the conjunctions given in the brackets. An example has been given for you. So first is, it was Sunday, the school was closed. So it was Sunday, so the school was closed. Second is, Rimi won the race because she practiced hard. Third one, they will go to zoo for a picnic as the weather is pleasant. Fourth one, you can't succeed it unless you do not work hard. Fifth one, everyone praises human because he is sincere. Everyone praises Raman because he is a sincere boy. Or have a look at page number 66. और इज यूज टू शो अ चॉइस. और का इस्तेमाल जो है किसी की चॉइस के बारे में बताने के लिए किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वॉट वुड शी लाइक टू हैव, बनाना और चॉइस. यहाँ पर चॉइसेस है कि उसको क्या पसंद है, बनाना या ऑरेंज. सेकेंड, गो फास्ट और यू विल मिस द ट्रेन. थर्ड वन, आई डोंट नो वेदर इट इज राइट और रॉन्ग. फोर्थ वन, यू कैन रीड और राइट. Fifth one, I don't care whether you go or stay here. As, because, since. The conjunctions as, because and since are called the conjunctions of reason. They are used to show as to why something happens or reason behind someone doing something or reason behind something specially suggested. For example, he is drinking water because he is thirsty. देखिए यहाँ पर रीजन बताया गया है कि वो पानी पी रहा है क्योंकि वह प्यासा है. सेकेंड, he did not attend the meeting because he was not well. कि वह मीटिंग अटेंड नहीं कर पाए क्योंकि उसकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है. थर्ड, रानी will clean the floor since the servant is absent. रानी जो है अपना फर्श साफ कर रही है क्योंकि जो नौकर है वह छुट्टी पर है. फोर्थ वन, एज आई एम गेटिंग लेट आई शैल टेक अ टैक्सी. फिफ्थ वन, ही पनिश्ड राजू बिकॉज ही वॉज mischievous. Sixth, since she was tired, she went home. Seventh one, she is crying because she is hungry. And use of if. If is used to show the condition or choice. if का यूज जो होता है किसी की कंडीशन या किसी की इच्छा के बारे में, किसी की चॉइस को बताने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ शी इज हंग्री शी कैन हैव फ्रूट्स. अगर वह भूखी है तो वह फ्रूट्स ले सकती है. सेकेंड, इफ यू वॉन्ट टू गेट गुड मार्क्स यू शुड वर्क हार्ड. थर्ड एग्जाम्पल इज, प्लीज ब्रिंग मी अ स्टोरी बुक if you go to market. Fourth one, let's run fast if we have to reach on time. Fifth one, Suman will go if Sarita comes. Sixth one, she will stand first if she burns midnight oil. Use of so. So is used to show the result. So का यूज जो है रिजल्ट को बताने के लिए किया जाता है. इसको हम लोग नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे. So today you have to fill C and D part in your English grammar book at page number 69. Thank you.